In this video I will demonstrate the Trip Logbook user experience on the CarPlay console. To use Trip Logbook on your CarPlay console, you need at least iOS 16 on your iPhone. I will first demonstrate how you can manually start and end a trip on the CarPlay console. Then, I will show you what happens in CarPlay when a trip is automatically started, using the CarPlay personal automations. Find the Trip Logbook icon on your CarPlay console and launch the app. When adding your vehicle to Trip Logbook, you have the option to indicate that the vehicle is equipped with CarPlay. This will cause your vehicle to be displayed on the CarPlay console. Tap on your vehicle to start a trip. As you leave your current location, you will notice that the Trip Logbook CarPlay console status updates. The distance and closing odometer fields will update approximately every 10 seconds. When you arrive at your destination, the status field will update. If you have created a place for this destination, the place name will also be displayed. Tap End Trip to end and log the active trip. You should see this newly logged trip in Trip Logbook on your phone. When using Trip Logbook with multiple vehicles, all CarPlay-capable vehicles will be listed. When a trip is in progress, and you are in a different vehicle, simply tap Change Vehicle. The active trip will be changed to the desired vehicle. The odometer will also be adjusted to match the relevant vehicle. I will show you what happens in CarPlay when a trip is automatically started, using the CarPlay personal automations. When your phone connects to CarPlay, the CarPlay automation will run, and a trip will be started automatically. You do not have to interact with the CarPlay console. You simply use the CarPlay console to monitor your active trip. When you arrive at your destination, and CarPlay disconnects from your phone, the CarPlay disconnect automation will run. The active trip will be stopped and logged automatically.